Hey everybody, it's AAN Cluck coming at you with a one box Mosaic by Team Break. We did 6 combo spots, 26 spots total. That's how the random turned out. If you want to watch the random, it's in the video before this. We're going to start ripping. I've been waiting for this all day yesterday, all day today. Wanted to break it last night. Just so you guys know, I will ship probably Tuesday. It's a holiday on Monday. And tomorrow it's supposed to be like negative 1,000 up here. So it will probably ship Tuesday. Because I am not going out if I don't have to tomorrow. Good luck, everybody. We got Jim Kelly, Tyler Boyd, Daniel Hunter, Devin White. We might have our first auto right off the bat. And we do. Devin White, and our first auto is for the Broncos. Patrick Surtain, not bad. Who's getting the Broncos? Nicely. Oh, he's back. He's back. Very nice. And the next one is for the Patriots. Silver Tom Brady. Silver Tom Brady for the Patriots. Next up, for the Vikings, Kirk Cousins. Is that numbered? That is not numbered. It's a nice looking card though. Camera does not do it justice. And our rookies, I think if everything runs the way I've been seeing it, are towards the back. We got a kid reporter. If anybody wants those, let me know. I'll send them with your package. I know some people's kids do them. A.J. Brown, the GOAT, Joe Montana, Drew Brees, Kurt Warner, Tua Tagovailoa, Rashad Bateman for the Ravens, Greg Newsome for the Browns, and Justin Fields for the Bears. Very nice. Very nice little pack. If you guys want to try, post in Facebook if you want to do it. I could do a by team break. The most expensive team would be, let's say the Jaguars at $50. Every other team would be, and there's like 4 teams that'd be above 40. Justin Fields, very nice. Yeah, a bad first pack. And again, if anybody wants those kid reporters, let me know. I will send those with your package if your kids want to do it. Josh Allen for the Bills, Robert Tonyan, Henry Ruggs III, Ben Roethlisberger, Ricky Williams for the Patriots again. Damian Williams, going old school Patriots here. I think that's numbered, if I'm right. Yep, 49, 2 of 49. Patriots hitting it. They got their money's worth. Next up, Malcolm Jenkins for the Saints. And we got Kyle Pitts for the Atlanta Falcons, going to Brian. Not bad. Blue chips. Then, a John Elway silver. Center stage. then, how about another Kyle Pitts? Going to Brian. Oh, I can't see the chat. That's what was missing. I'm like, what is different about my screen? Kyle Pitts again. We got Tom Brady. So the rookies are in a different spot, or maybe the inserts are in a different spot on this pack. Jerry Rice, Charles Tillman. No, Michael Carter for the Jets. Jets, Jets. And Levi for the Lions. I'm not even going to try that last name. That's worse than a UFC last name. So I might need more top loaders for the next break. Next pack. Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning, Daniel Jones, Josh Jacob, Fletcher Cox, and I thought that's a Javonte Williams. No. Javon Curse for the Titans. Got excited. Jake Funk for the Rams. There's a lot of hype around that kid for some reason beginning of the season. Nothing ever came of it. Dan Fouts. Randy Moss for the Vikings. Yeah, Kyle Pitts is pretty good. He's a good guy to have in this break. Christian McCaffrey, Tom Brady again, Jerome Bettis, Deshaun Watson. So our last two cards are going to be rookies. We got Micah Parsons and Tutu Atwell. Nice Micah Parsons. Tutu, I'm not sure of. If you guys want to hang out after, I will be doing a CSG review of personal stuff for the most part. There might be one or two that joined it. I don't think there is, though. Not in the first one. I think the second CSG is where we had some people join. Alright, Kid Reporter. Looks like we got a red or orange. Allen Robinson, Mark Brunell, Jarvis Landry, Sean Alexander, Hunter Henry for the, that's going to be for the Patriots, logo on the card. Dan Marino for the Dolphinos. Come on, let's get some rookie mosaics here. Got a lot of nice names, but prefer the rookies. I always make sure it's not the white. Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. It's a red parallel. I don't think that's it. Numbered. Not numbered. Deshaun Watson insert. Baker Mayfield. Baker Mayfield for the Browns. That might be numbered. Nope, just straight fire. Okay, Mayfield doesn't get a top order right away. We got Jamison Crowder, Caleb Farney, Devontae Adams, Von Miller, Rondale Moore. That's a nice one for the Cardinals. For the Cardinals, Rondale Moore. He might play a key part tomorrow or Monday. It's tomorrow. With D-Hop is out. And Kylan Hill for the Packers. D-Hop is officially out as far as I know. They said he might be back if they make it to the next round. Thanks. Alright. We got Buda Baker, Cortland Sutton, A.J. Brown, Blake Martinez, Justin Herbert, Steve Largent, Charles Woodson, Matthew Stafford, and Jim Kelly, a nice blue. Number to 99, 77 of 99. Very nice. These guys sleeved. My penny sleeve pile is sliding up there. There is no pile. Stafford Masters. Here we go. Chris Long, James Robinson. There we go. Travis Etienne for the Jags. It's a nice one. I love these cards, David. They are, the Mosaics I think are better than Silver Prisms, in my opinion. I just like the way they burst out. Travis Etienne. Antonio Gibson, Anthony Schwartz, and Amari Rodgers. I don't know. I always like the Mosaics better, but it's, personal taste over what sells, which is good for my PC, but bad for value if I'm investing. There we go. Still missing the big rookies, but I have faith. Mark Mandrews, Devontae Adams, Derek Brown, Dan Marino, Steve Largent, Austin Eckler blue, number to 99, Jalen Reagor, another Kyle Pitts, and D-Hop silver. And next up is Trey Lance. We'll get him sleeves and top loaded first. He's right there. Let me get these other guys sleeved and top loaded if they need it. D-Hop. Kyle Pitts. That's 3 Kyle Pitts in this box. Brian is looking good, especially if he grades. He is looking good, good, good. David's looking good too. Still got 1 auto to go too, guys. We got Matthew Stafford, Kurt Warner, Russell Wilson, Gary Brightwell for the Giants. What a G-man. Shoot, I might need more top loaders for this box. I've gone through almost all 50. And Dax Maline for the football team, aka Skins. Pack. Big guys. Matt Jones, Trevor Lawrence, Zach Wilson. Let's go. David Montgomery, Leonard Williams, Dan Fouts, Chase Claypool. Our autograph is going to be for the Patriots. Ronnie Perkins. That is going to Bro. He's having a break too. I'm going to do these one at a time because it's just easier to top load them that way. We got Josh Jacobs, Mosaic. You're good too, bro. I think that Brady alone is probably going to be enough. Pretty close to it. Or all the Bradys that you're receiving. Patty Mahomes and Tom Brady. Past GOAT, future GOAT. Look at that. Oh, Tom Brady. Peyton Manning, Justin Herbert, Mac Jones. There you go. That's one. Mac Jones, Patriots are killing a break now. Mackie Jones. We got two more. We got Devontae Smith, nice, for the Eagles, and Zaven Collins. Gorman has the Eagles. I'll tell you, I think Devontae Smith's going to be a monster next year. He showed glimpses of it this year. But usually takes wide receivers a year or two. Zaven Collins for the Cardinals. I mean, he had a really good year this year. I don't think... You got the Mac Jones. Boom. There we go. Jonathan Taylor, Odell Beckham, Tom Brady again. Javon Curse, Kenny Galladay. I think this is the Tom Brady set. Kenny Galladay. For the Chiefs, Daniel Sorensen. Numbered. Stephon Diggs for the Bills. Zach Ertz. In it to win it. Going to the Eagles. No, he's not a Eagle anymore, but that's who he is on the card. Diggs. Micah Parsons. Bro called the shot on the Mac Jones. DeAndre Hopkins, Steve Young, Christian Barrymore for the Patriots, and Elijah Moore. I saw the Jets was hoping for the quarterback, Zach, the quarterback attack. Elijah Moore. What if I put a penny sleeve on there? Funny thing is, I know in this CSG, there's going to be some Michael Perrine, because, you know, I don't take my own advice and listen to what the team's saying about a player. There we go. We got Kid Reporter, if anybody wants it. Patrick Mahomes, Otis Anderson, Jerry Jeudy, Antoine Winfield, Michael Strahan, Fletcher Cox. Fletcher Cox. This guy got me to the fantasy playoffs, but didn't help me much when Montgomery came back. Khalil Herbert. Very nice. Very nice red variation. We got Derrick Henry and John Randall. One thing I'm noticing on the bottom, there's some edge issues on the cards. I don't know if it's all the way around them or what. Aaron Rodgers, Peyton Manning, Thomas Davis Jr., Derek Carr, Kellen Mond for the Vikings, and Larry Roundtree. That's not a bad one either. They like him a lot. But again, if Eckler goes, watch what the team says about who's starting behind him. Don't jump on a guy because he's on the depth chart. Ask me about Easton Stick. If anybody wants an Easton Stick PC, let me know. Here we go. Last pack, guys. Good luck. There we go. Kid Reporter. J.J. Watt. Melvin Gordon. Dwight Freeney. George Kittle. Adam Thielen. And we got a silver coming up. Oh, nice. George Kittle for the Niners. Start putting them right here. We got a Trey Sermon. He won me a game or two, too. Or Trey Nixon, I'm sorry. Not Trey Sermon, for the Patriots. Oh, man. It's not the guy that won me a game or two. Trey Nixon for the Patriots. Travis Kelce. Very nice for the Chiefs. Patty Mahomes. Man of Mastery, silver. That's probably close to your spot price back today. Patrick Mahomes. And our last cards, we got Warren Moon, Nick Chubb. There's Najee Harris. He's another big one. Now we're only missing Zach Wilson. Zach Wilson is the... Oh, and Trevor Lawrence. No T-Law. There we go. Alvin Kamara. And Nico Collins and Jared Dokes. No T-Law, no Zach Wilson in this one. Do a quick run through the rookies and the autos. And then we'll go on to the next break, which I'm just about on time for. Get out. The warehouse is doing things, guys. On-time breaks. Get out. All right. Straighten out that pile. Okay, here we go. Rookies and autos. And big silvers. Jared Oaks, Nico Collins, Najee Harris, Patrick Mahomes silver, Trey Nixon, Colin Mond, Larry Roundtree, Khalil Herbert red, Elijah Moore, Christian Barrymore, Micah Parsons, Zavine Collins, Devontae Smith, Mac Jones, Ronnie Perkins auto, Dax Maline, Gary Brightwell, Austin Eckler blue to 99, Kyle Pitts, Trey Lance, Anthony Schwartz. May the Schwartz be with you. Travis Etienne, actually a decent one for the Jags. Jim Kelly, Kylan Hill, Rondell Moore, Micah Parsons, Tutu Atwell, Jake Funk, Levi, Michael Carter, Kyle Pitts, Damian Harris, Bateman, Kirk Cousins, red, Tom Brady, and our first auto. Not a bad box. Thank you guys for joining. We'll see you on the next one.